Ever heard that feeling? The dial tone of a clunky desk phone echoing through your ear? The frustration of missed calls because you were stuck at your desk? Or the endless game of phone tag with colleagues juggling calls on their mobiles? In today's fast-paced world, businesses need a communication system that's flexible, mobile, and keeps them connected seamlessly. That's where cloud-based solutions like RingCentral come in. But with all the options out there, one big question pops up. Is RingCentral free? Let's dive deep and unpack the world of RingCentral pricing to see if it fits your business needs. First, ditch the idea of a one-size-fits-all answer. RingCentral offers a variety of plans catering to different team sizes and communication needs. There's a free trial to test the waters, but for ongoing service, you'll need a paid subscription. Exploring the free trial. Think of the free trial as a test drive for your communication system. Typically lasts around 14 days, giving you a chance to explore RingCentral's core features like high-definition voice calling. Experience crystal-clear audio that eliminates the crackles and pops of traditional phone lines. Team messaging. Collaborate in real time with colleagues through instant messaging, file sharing, and task management. Video conferencing. Host online meetings with crisp video and screen sharing capabilities. The free trial is a fantastic way to see if RingCentral feels intuitive and integrates seamlessly into your workflow. But remember, it has limitations. You might not have access to all the features offered in paid plans, and the number of users or call minutes could be restricted. Paid plans, tailored solutions for your business. Now, let's get into the paid territory. RingCentral offers a tiered pricing structure with various plans catering to different team sizes and communication needs. Here's a quick breakdown of some popular options. RingCentral MVP. This entry-level plan is ideal for small teams with basic calling needs. It includes features like unlimited calls within the US and Canada, voicemail transcription, and basic administrative controls. RingCentral Standard. A step up from MVP. This plan focuses on collaboration features. It adds team messaging, video conferencing with up to 100 participants, and integrations with popular business apps. RingCentral Premium. Designed for larger teams, this plan offers everything in Standard, along with advanced call routing features, call recording, and enhanced analytics. RingCentral Ultimate. The ultimate powerhouse plan for enterprise-level businesses. It includes everything in Premium, plus additional security features, HIPAA compliance, and dedicated customer support. Pricing transparency. Know what you're paying for. RingCentral's pricing is generally transparent and available on their website. However, the exact cost can vary depending on the number of users you need, the specific features you require, and any additional add-ons you choose. Here are some factors that can influence RingCentral pricing. Number of users. The more users you add to your plan, the higher the overall cost will be. Features. Choosing a higher tier plan with advanced features like call recording and analytics will naturally cost more. Contract term. Longer contracts often come with discounted rates compared to month-to-month billing. Beyond the price tag, value and flexibility. While cost is a crucial factor, it's important to consider the value RingCentral brings to your business beyond the price tag. Here are some additional benefits. Scalability. As your business grows, RingCentral scales with you. You can easily add or remove users as needed. Reduced overhead. Ditch expensive traditional phone lines and hardware. RingCentral operates on the cloud, eliminating the need for upfront investments. Improved mobility. Stay connected from anywhere with the RingCentral mobile app. Take calls, join meetings, and access features on the go. Enhanced collaboration. Break down communication silos with built-in messaging and video conferencing tools. Increased productivity. Spend less time managing phone systems and more time focusing on what matters. Your business. Finding the perfect fit. Ultimately, the decision of whether RingCentral is the right fit for your business boils down to a cost-benefit analysis. Evaluate your current communication needs, consider your budget, and take advantage of the free trial to experience the platform firsthand. Remember, the best communication solution is the one that empowers your team to connect seamlessly, collaborate effectively, and drive business growth. With that said, Thanks for watching, and until next time.